Do you want to add a loved one to your iPhone emergency contacts to help you in case of an emergency? I'm here to show you how to do it easily. In this video, I'll show you 2 simple ways to add an emergency contact on your iPhone. So let's get started. Method 1. Using Contacts app. Open the Contacts app. Select the contact you want to add as an emergency contact. Then tap on it. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Add to Emergency Contacts. Select your relationship, like I'm selecting brother. Now fill in his medical info here. Then tap Done from the top right corner. Now here you'll see a medical sign beside his number. Now lock your phone and unlock it. Then tap on Emergency. Now look at the below. And then tap on Medical info here. Here is the emergency contact you added. Method 2. Using the Health app. Open the Health app. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap Medical ID. Here you can see the emergency contacts. Tap Add. Tap Add Emergency Contact. Find the person that you want to set as emergency contact for you. Select the contact. Select the relationship you have with the person, like brother. Then tap on Done from the top right corner. So that's how you add emergency contacts to your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.